What's up, guys? We're back with another video. We want to show you guys this Murphy bed behind us, how we made it, and she likes it a lot. She says it's all hers and nobody else's, but when guests come over, we wanted somewhere for them to be able to rest when they're in our apartment. We moved into a smaller apartment from a 3-bedroom, 2-car garage house intentionally to downsize, but there's an upside to that. We decided we're going to make a Murphy bed, the world's simplest Murphy bed, but today we're going to decorate it and try to spruce it up in here a little bit so it just looks a little bit better.
Action.
Action. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with moving the sofa, moving everything out of the way so I can let it down and show you guys exactly how this thing works. So when guests come over, this is exactly the process we're going to go through, right? Start with rolling our little mat rug up that needs to be vacuumed, and just kind of get this over out of the way. Right, it can stand up right there. Maybe not. So now, this goes over here out of the way. Oh. You see that catch? Those are quick reflexes. I think the little cousins left these under there, right? Because it comes from the wall of games we have over here. We love playing board games in this house. So check this out. This part down here, I decided to use as storage. So since there's plenty of space, or actually it was her idea, but we can put our suitcases under here for when it's time to bug out. Alright, let me take this down, because this is not supposed to be here anyway. That's the only problem. When the couch is here, it keeps you, the sofa keeps you from hitting your head. But now that it's not here, I can actually hit my head on it. And since it's, most people don't even, when they come to our house, they don't even recognize that it's there. You know, for some reason, they just don't see it. But we see it. This is how I let the bed down currently, because my ratcheting system I haven't put in place yet. I'll make sure I do an update and show you guys how that works. But for now, this is how we let the bed down. So this is pretty solid construction, guys. It can hold my entire body weight on it, and it makes for pretty comfortable sleeping, from what I understand. I haven't slept on it. So if you get a good look, you can see how I found the studs. I found the studs on the wall, right? And everywhere that there's a stud is where I hit this original piece. So this was one box right here. I built that box, and I use heavy duty hinges to attach this other frame to the first frame. So under here, you can see where the hinges are in, and I put this down as extra support. So this piece of wood here and this piece of wood add extra support when it's down. Currently, these legs don't move. Later on, I'm going to come back and I'm going to trim these and bolt these legs in probably when I do the ratcheting attachment to make this sit up more straight. But that is how, I mean, it's as simple as 2x4s and some 6-inch or what did I use? 3.5-inch screws. I used 3.5-inch screws to put these together, except for right here. And just heavy duty hinges. That's all that's required. So now, most likely when I do my ratchet system, I'm gonna drill a hole right through here and put a eye bolt and take it back to that stud. So now, let's get to the decorating. All right, guys, so here are the 3 things that we decided that we're gonna use. And we just stopped by Walmart and grabbed 4 yards of fabric. I'm gonna take this fabric and hopefully it'll fit across here just to clean this look up some. Then we got 20 string lights that I'm gonna trace across here, across these legs just to make it light. And then I'll mix this around it so that it'll kind of dampen the effects of the light and be like kind of clouds over your head is what I'm thinking anyway. We'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so with her help and complaining and saying that my idea wasn't the greatest idea, that's not actually what she said. I'm not going to tell you exactly what she said, but that one right there. Come here, let the people see you. Come on over here. Come on, let them see the face that you're making right now. Because she's making that I don't give a face. Okay, that's enough. Go. Anyway, so I'm not going for perfect. I just wanted to cover up the bottom of the bed right now before I put the before I completely enclose it. At some point I'm going to completely enclose it and make a cabinet for it with closing doors and all of that. It's not like we're going to be here forever, but I do want to clean it up some more. So anyway, back to building. We're going to put the lights on first. And then my idea was to cover them up with the sheer material afterwards to dim the lights. more projects tonight. So guys, we're gonna close this video out. Hopefully you found this somewhat informative. Hopefully it inspires you to do your own Murphy bed if it's needed. If you need an extra bed for people to stay at or sleep on when they come to visit you, or whatever other project that you might have sitting on the shelf and not quite gotten to yet, maybe that'll inspire you to knock it out. We'll keep you guys posted on what we're doing with the Murphy bed. We got another video coming. We're excited about this purchase we just made, and we're gonna share it with you guys. Well, and with that guys, we're gonna close this video out.
Good night, explorers.
Peace.